Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Infosec Pandey here, and today we are starting something brand new on this channel. So I am officially launching a 100 days SOC Analyst Learning Challenge series. Yep, you heard that right. 100 straight days of learning, practice and growth, all about what it takes to become a SOC Analyst, from the very basics to advanced real world topics. So, this is not just a playlist, it's a journey we are going to take together. Think of it like a boot camp, except fun, casual, and step by step so anyone can follow along. By the end of these 100 days, you will have the knowledge, mindset, and hands on skill to walk into a SOC role with confidence. So, welcome to the day 0 of the SOC Analyst 100 Days Learning Challenge. If you have ever sat there wondering what does a SOC analyst actually do, how do they catch hackers, then you are in the exactly the right place, because over the next 100 days we are gonna build your skill step by step from absolute basics all the way to advanced topics until you are ready to think, act and analyze like a SOC analyst. So, what is this series all about? Let me break it down. We will start with the fundamental: what is a SOC, the roles, the tools, and the processes. Then we will dive into logs, the bread and butter of the SOC analyst. We will learn to monitor, detect threat, hunt down suspicious activities, and respond to the incidents. Along the way, I will introduce you to some tool like SIEM, SOAR, IDS IPS, and even sprinkles in some scripting. And by the end, we will be working through real world scenarios together. So basically, it is like a gym for the cybersecurity brain, one rep a day for 100 days straight. Now, you might ask, why SOC? Why not pen testing or malware analysis? Well, think of the SOC as the frontline defense of any organization. Picture the Avengers Tower, except instead of superheroes, the capes, you have got an analyst with dashboard, SIEM alert, and way too much coffee. So they are the ones watching 24 bar 7, making sure attacks don't go unnoticed. And guess what? Companies worldwide are screaming for SOC analyst right now. So not only do you learn a high demand skill, but you are also stepping into the actual battlefield of cyber defense. So mindset for the challenge. But let's be clear, this is not Netflix binge series. You don't just watch and forget. This is a challenge. So here's the mindset I want you to bring. Show up every day. Even if you learn one small thing, that's progress. Don't stress if some days feel confusing. That's part of the game. And remember, consistency beat intensity. So you don't have to be perfect. By the day 100, you will look back and realize how far you have come. Your mission for day 0. So, what's your mission today? On day 0, easy. Commit to this series, grab a notebook or open a digital journal. We are gonna document what we learn daily. Set up your mindset. This is your challenge. And hey, if you want to make it extra fun, treat it like a game. So think of yourself as a cybersecurity RPG character leveling up every day. By the end of 100 days, you are basically boss level SOC analyst. So, what are the prerequisites? So, do you need to be a tech wizard to start? Nope. Here is what we will help though: basic computer knowledge like files, processes, networks, some familiarity with Linux and Windows. Don't worry if you are rusty, I will refresh you. Curiosity about how hackers operate and how defenders stop them. If you bring that curiosity, I will bring the roadmap. Simple deal, right? So, what is next? What is coming next? Tomorrow, day 1, we will answer the most important question: what is a SOC? We will explore what happens inside, the roles of different people, and why SOC exists in the first place. Because before you can defend the cattle, You need to know how the cattle is built. All right, my friends, that's it for day 0. You have just officially kicked off the challenge. Now, here is your action step. Drop a comment saying, I am in. So, if you are joining this 100-day grind with me, let's build a community of learners who are serious about leveling up in cybersecurity. Hit that like button if you are excited, subscribe so you don't miss a single day, and share this with someone who is curious about SOC career. Day 1 drops tomorrow. What is SOC? And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's do this 100-day, one mission, become SOC strong. See you tomorrow.